Hi dear all students, in a last video of natural resources lesson we are learning about properties of air. In that we learned two properties of air, that air has mass and weight, as well as for air atmospheric pressure is same in all direction. Now in this video we learn more about air. See here, a pink color writing is here on screen, student. That is about great scientist work. In 1726, the Swedish scientist Daniel Bernoulli put forth the important principle that the pressure of air decreases when its velocity increases, while the pressure of air increases when its velocity decreases. Means pressure and velocity and vice versa they work. If a body is moving through air, the air pressure decreases perpendicular to the direction of the motion, and then the air in its surroundings flows rapidly from higher pressure to the lower pressure. To understand this principle of Daniel, one example or practical way is shown here below. After that you understand what is meaning of this explanation or the rule. See student, here one diagram is shown 3.3, that is effect of air pressure. A very nice example is given here. They took a glass. In that glass they pour water, and at the center, exactly in a perpendicular position, a straw is kept. Upside they shown us fountain of water. Fountain of water means पाण्याचे कारंजे, कारंज्यासारखं पाणी उडणं, like a sprinkle irrigation. What they said in example: take some water in a plastic cup and hold a straw upright in it. Upright means in a perpendicular position. Hold a small piece of another straw near the upper end of the first straw and perpendicular to the straw. One more straw is there upside in a horizontal position. Now from that upside straw, they said, blow hard through the small piece of straw. You will see a fountain of water. What happens, student, here on blowing through the straw, which is an empty straw? Blowing means फूक मारणे. The air at its open end is pushed away, and hence the pressure of air at the opening goes down. As the pressure of the air near the upper end of the erect straw becomes less than that of atmospheric pressure, the water in the cup is pushed from where the pressure is higher to where it is lower. In the upward directions, water comes out in the form of fountain. The more forcefully you blow, the higher will be the fountain. Depend on your blowing, the fountain height is depend. The straw in this diagram is work here as Bernoulli's principle, that of pressure. The same example at your home level, student, you may saw a lot of times. Suppose a tank of water is half filled with water and it's difficult now to take out that water from that tank. That time, sometime our parents may putting a pipe inside that tank and one end inside the water and another end they sometime blowing air with their mouth. Due to this air pressure, how much fast they are blowing, that atmospheric pressure principle is get applied there, and after few seconds the water inside the tank slowly start coming out from that pipe which is at the outer end, and we can fill the empty vessels with that deep level water. In a well, bore well, this same principle work to pull the water out, but there we are using more pressure because of electricity. This all the examples shows us the important research by this great scientist, that is Bernoulli's principle. So this scientist in 1726 worked for this, which still utilize in lot of places the principle of air pressure. So this is clear here through the various example that if a body is moving through air, the air pressure decreases perpendicular to the direction of the motion, and then the air in its surroundings flows rapidly from higher pressure to the lower pressure. So this example of the Daniel's principle we saw. Here one activity is given student for you. See in a white color writing. Download a photograph of Daniel Bernoulli from the internet and paste here on your page of textbook, that is 17 number. What commands did you give the computer to do this? This is the activity side by side. The science textbook is making us familiar with the more use of internet for a study part. In future, this is very important, student, to search from internet various images. As you all are familiar with your mobile phone now, and you having internet connection to see your regular videos, meanwhile try such type of activity also. After listening our today's video, as your today's homework you will complete this activity, student. You also please download a photograph of scientist Daniel Bernoulli, and if possible to take print, then only you take print. If not, you just see his photograph, how he is looking, how he was looking. So student, please visit to the website on internet or search with the help of Google to search this great scientist photograph. I hope you understand today's work, and please, as a short note, write down this pink color writing as it is in your notebook. I repeat again, please write this pink color writing as it is in your notebook as a short note. and also enjoy searching process on internet. Be safe, take care, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.